Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we discussed about properties of triangles, part 1. So the first we discussed about sine rule, cosine rule, projection rule, tangent rule, and half angle formulas, and areas of the triangle, and Malloy's rule. My dear students, the area of the triangle delta is the students of BC sin A. So after that of CA sin B, of AB sin C, and another one is the students 2r square sin A into sin B into sin C, and delta is the students ABC by 4r, and the last one is delta equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, Heron formula. Okay students, this is the delta is the root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay students, right now in the half angle formulas we have to know that the tan of A by 2, what is the students the tan of A by 2? The tan of A by 2 is the students S minus B into S minus C upon S into S minus A. Suppose students, when we are multiple with root of S minus B into S minus C upon S minus B into S minus C, this is the students S minus B S minus C by delta, root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, then it is nothing but delta. My dear students, the tan A by 2 we can also written as S minus B by S minus C delta. Suppose students, the tan A by 2, everybody know that S minus C into S minus A. When we are multiple with the numerator and the denominator with S into S minus A. So student, this is S into S minus C, S minus B, S minus C delta. So same terms are there, root S into S is S square, that is S minus A. Now students, the tan A by 2 of our half angle formulas we can also written as, how to write this one, S minus B S minus C upon S into S minus A. So this is we can written as, when we are taking the delta is the numerator, we can remove the root in the denominator. After that students, we are taken as S minus B into S minus C, this is a delta. So what is the students tan of B by 2? Tan of B by 2 is the students S minus C into S minus A by S into S minus B, this is delta by S into S minus B equal to S minus C into S minus A by delta. When we are taking the delta is the numerator, we can remove the root in the denominator. When we can remove the root in the numerator, we take the delta in the denominator. Similarly students, the tan of C by 2, this is also students the S minus A S minus B by S into S minus C. This is, how to write the students, S minus A into S minus B. This is students delta. After that students, when we are taking the delta in the numerator, then it will come S into S minus A. Okay students, S into S minus A. When we are taking the delta in the numerator, remove the root in the denominator. So student, this is S minus A into S minus B by delta. So students, similarly we can find the formulas about cot a by 2. The cot a by 2 is the reciprocal of this one, s into s minus a by delta. In general, students, this is the very important formula, students. Cot a by 2, s into s minus a by delta, and cot of b by 2. Dear students, the cot of b by 2 is the s into s minus b by delta, and the students cot c by 2, the cot c by 2, the reciprocal of this one. So what is the students? The cot of c by 2, cot a by 2 is the this one, students. So first we are taking, what is the students? We are taking first tan of a by 2. This is the students s minus a, s minus b. This is s minus c. Yes, delta by s minus c. Therefore, when we are taking the tan of c by 2, undoubtedly s minus a, s minus b by s into s minus c. When we are taking the delta is the numerator, s into s minus c. Okay, students. When we are taking the delta in the denominator, we can remove s minus a into s minus b. So, students, the cot c by 2 is the students s into s minus c by reciprocal of this one, s into s minus c by delta. So students, all of you by heart these formulas. Cot a by 2, s into s minus a by delta. Cot b by 2, s into s minus b by delta. Cot c by 2, s into s minus c by delta. Okay, students. Right now, the question number 1. What is given that the small a is the 3 and small b is the 4. The small a is the 3 and small b is the 4, and sin a is given that. Now we find the angle b. Now students, the a by sin a equal to 2r. A is the students 3. Sin a is the students 3 by 4 equal to 2r. 3 cancel. That can be written as the students that 2r equal to 4. My dear students, the r value equal to 2. So the small a is the 3, sin a is the 3 by 4. 2r equal to 4, r is the students 2. Now we are find the angle b. So students, we have to know that from the sine rule, b by sin b equal to 2r. What is the small b? B by sin b equal to 2r is there 4. Now students, we got sin b equal to 4 by 4, that is 1. Everybody know that the sin b, 1 is the value of sin 90 degrees. So b is the students 90. B is the 90. Okay, students. Right now, I will take the another one. So this is from sine rule. Now the second one, students. If the small a, these all questions are related to the only triangle ABC. So these all problems are related to the refer to the only triangle ABC. If small a root 3 plus 1 centimeters and angle B 30 degrees, angle C 45 degrees, then the length of the side. So dear students, now we find the length of the side. We have to know that sum of the angles in a triangle, what is the students, A plus B plus C, is the 180 degrees. So the B plus C, 30 plus 45 is the 75. Angle A equal to 180 minus 75. A is the students 105. Angle A is the 105. Now students, we know that from the sine rule, A by sin A, the small a equal to 2r sin a. What is the students? The small a is the 2r sin a. The small a of length root 3 plus 1 sine of 105 This is the students the root 3 plus 1 2r into sine of 90 plus 15 degrees. This is lies in second quadrant. The root 3 plus 1 2r into sine 90 plus theta cos theta, that is cos 15 degrees. So students, root 3 plus 1 2r into the value of cos 15 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now students, the value of 2r is root 3 plus 1 is cancelled. Now this is 2 root 2. Dear students, what we find right now, the small c. What is the small c from the sine rule? 2r sine c. So dear students, we have to know that the small c 2r sine c. So this is the students, 2r is the value 2 root 2 sine c. C is the students 45 degrees. Now students, this is 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel. This is 2. Okay students, write down. Next question students, if two sides and included angle, dear students, two sides and included angle of a triangle are root 3 minus 1, sorry students, 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3 and 60 degrees. Then the third side is dear students, two sides and included angle is given that. Now we find the third side. So dear students, what we observed here, the angle is given that 60 degrees. This is the 3 plus root 3, this is 3 minus root 3. Now we find angle, suppose this is. So we know that the third side is the A or C. This is the students, so this is capital A, this is capital B. Now students, everybody know that from the cosine rule, what is the students, C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB into cos C. This is the students, C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Now this is A square is, what is the students, the A square is, so the A square is the students 3 plus root 3 whole square, B square is the students 3 minus root 3 whole square minus 2AB, 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3 cos C. So student, this is cos of 60 degrees. Now students, this is A square, B square, A square is 9, B square is 3, 2AB 6 root 3. Similarly students, A square is 9, B square is C. Now this is minus of A square, B square minus 2AB. This is the students minus 2 into A square minus B square. This is 9 minus 3 cos 60 is the 1 by 2. A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Now students, these two are cancelled. 9 plus 3 12. What is the student? 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24. Now these are cancelled. Now this is the students minus 6. Now this is the students 18 is the value of c square. C square is the value 18. Now students c equal to root of 18. Now this is 9 2s are 3 root 2 centimeters. Okay students, 3 into root 2 centimeters. Suppose three sides are given that A is 6 and B is 5 and C is 9. How to find the angle A? The angle A is the students, we know that cos A is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. When given that A, B, C, suppose the students A, B, C are the 6 and 5 and 9, then we can apply this formula, then we got angle A. Okay students, right now I will take another question, that is the students, write down, that is 2BC cos A, after that CA cos B, after that AB cos C value, that is students A square plus B square plus C square. How to write the students? This is a 2BC. Cos A is the students, everybody know that cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Now this is sigma. So student, these are cancelled. After them B square plus C square minus A square. Now we can remove the sigma students. After that C square plus A square minus B square. After that students A square plus B square minus C square, minus C square plus C square, minus B square plus B square, plus A square minus A square cancel. There are remaining A square plus B square plus C square. The value of this one is A square plus B square plus C square. Okay students? B plus C cos A, after that C plus A cos B, then A plus B cos C is the students A plus B plus C. How to prove this one? This is the students A plus B plus C. So my dear students, here we can observe this is B into cos A, B cos A. Just you can check where is A cos B. This is the students A cos B. After that student, this is C cos A, C cos A. This is the students A cos C. What are the remaining students? This is C cos B plus B cos C. This is the students is the form AB are there, this is the C. Here CA are there, this is B. Here CB are there, this is A. So student, these are from projection rules, A plus B plus C. Okay students, my dear students, all of you please by heart the formulas. This is only we can apply the formula for the projection rule only. Okay students. Now students, prove that prove that b minus a cos c into sin a equal to a cos a into sin of c. So dear students, the small difficulty is there. Here on the left hand side is there, students, b minus a cos c into sin a. So what is the b? B from the projection rule. So dear students, the b from the projection rule is b is the student c cos a cos c. This is the small b. C cos a plus a cos c is there minus a cos c into sin a. So students, here plus a cos c minus a cos c cancel. C cos of a into is there sin of a. So but here is there a cos a sin c is there. How to write, the students? We have to know that the small c from the sine rule 2r sin c. The small c is the students 2r sin c. These two cos a sin a. After that, students, we can written as 2r sin a. So we can write first sin a. After that, cos a is there sin of c. So we know that from the sine rule, the 2r sin a is nothing but small a. The 2r sin a is the small a. The small a cos a into sin c. This is the right hand side. A cos a sin c. Simply, student, first we can apply the projection rule. This is the projection rule. After that, these two are cancelled. So c can be written as from the sine rule 2r sin c. So that you can write first sin a, we can write sin c at the last. The 2r sin a is the small a. Okay, students, write down. Now students, prove that a into sin b minus sin c sigma a into sin b minus sin c is 0. So dear students, the left hand side sigma is there. Sin b is nothing but from the sine rule b by 2r. Sin c is the students c by 2r. Is it clear? So students, 1 by 2r. So this is a into b minus c. So dear students, 1 by 2r we can write. This is not cyclic. We can write outside of the sigma. Now students, we can remove sigma. A into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b. This is a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b. This is the students 1 by 2r ab minus ac. After that, bc minus ab. This is ac minus bc. Minus bc plus bc minus ab plus ab plus ac. These are all cancelled. This is 0. Okay, students. So that b minus c whole square cos square a by 2 b plus c whole square sin square a by 2 equal to a square. So students, b minus c whole square into cos square a by 2 b plus c whole square into sin square a by 2 is the a square. Now this is the students b square c square minus 2bc b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos square a by 2. This is b square plus c square plus 2bc into sin square a by 2. Okay students, b square plus c square minus 2bc cos square a by 2 b square plus c square plus 2bc into sin square a by 2. So students, b square plus c square, so what is the common? Cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2. Now minus 2bc is the common students, minus of 2bc, this is cos square a by 2 minus into minus plus 2bc is the common, is there sin square a by 2. Now students, what is the here? B square plus c square, this value 1, after that minus 2bc, cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2, cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2 is the students cos of a. So we know that b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a is the formula of a square from the cosine rule. A square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Write down students. b cos square c by 2 c cos square b by 2 b cos square c by 2 plus c cos square b by 2. So students, b into, this is the students cos square c by 2 we can written as s into s minus c by ab. The cos square c by 2 from the half angle formulas, root over is there, square and under root cancel. Now student, this is c into, what is the cos square b by 2? S into s minus b by ca. So this is s into s minus c. What is the students is there? Cos c by 2 is the s into s minus c by ab. Cos square b by 2 is the s into s minus b by ca. So students, here bb cancel, this is cc cancel. Now students, s minus a is the common. So what is there? S minus c plus s minus b. Now students, s minus a, s plus s is the 2s minus b minus c. So student, this is s by a, 2s is the students a plus b plus c minus b minus c. These are cancelled. After then a cancel. This is the students s. So we can apply the half angle formulas. Root of s into s minus c, root of s into s minus c by AB. This is S into S minus B by CA. Okay, students. What is that? Suppose students, A is 4, B is 5, C is 7. How to find cos B by 2? Then cos of B by 2. Everybody know that the cos of B by 2, that is S into S minus B by CA under root. Therefore, students, we can take an as 2s is a plus b plus c. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 4 16. S is the 8. 8 into s minus b. 8 minus 5 is the 3. Ca. That is the students 7 into Ca. 7 into 4. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. So student, this is root over 6 by 7. Now students, the another question is there a plus b plus c. If a plus b plus c and b plus c minus a plus b plus c and b plus c minus a equal to 3bc, then angle A. Okay students, how to find the angle A? This is the students, everybody know that 2s. This is a plus b plus c minus 2a, that is the 3bc. 2s, a plus b plus c is the 2s, a minus 2a is the minus a. So students, we are taking plus a and minus a. This is 2s. 2s minus 2a equal to 3bc. 2 into 2 is the 4. S into s minus a by bc equal to 3. So student, this is s into s minus a by bc equal to 3 by 4. When we are taking the under root, that implies student, this is cos of a by 2 equal to root of 3 by 2. The value of root 3 by 2 is the students cos of 30 degrees. Root 3 by 2 is the value of, what is the students, cos 30. Now students, the a by 2 equal to 30 degrees, a equal to 60 degrees. A is the students 60. Now students, two sides are given that, and also angle between them is given that. My dear students, the sides of length 4 and 5 including an angle 60 degrees. Then the area of the triangle, two sides of length 4 and 5 included an angle 60, then its area delta equal to half BC sin A. This is B, this is A. Half BC, this is B. This, what is the students? B. This is small c. So dear student, half BC sin A, that is the area of the triangle. Half BC, 4 5s are 20, sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 5 root 3 square units. Now students, the one more question. The three sides are given that, then find the circumdiameter. So students, the sides of the triangle, write down students, the sides of triangle 13, 14, 15. Okay. Then find the circumdiameter. Then the circumdiameter. Dear students, we have to know that the circumdiameter is, what is the students? Delta is the form ABC by 4R. When you know that delta, undoubtedly we got circumdiameter is the 2R. So students, A is a 13, B is 14, C is the 15. First we find the perimeter 2S. 13 plus 14 plus 15. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12. That is the students 42. S equal to 21. Now we find delta. S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under root. S is the 21. 21 minus 13. What is the students? 21 minus 13. So students, the 21 minus 13 is the students. We have to know that is 8. After that students, 21 minus 14 is the 7. So 21 minus 15 is the students 6. So this is the students, we can written as 7 into 3. After that 2 into 2 into 2. This is the 7. We can written as the only prime numbers product. So prime numbers 2 7s are there, 2 3s are there. Now 2 into 2 into 2. 21 into 4. This is 84. Okay students, the delta is the 84. Now we can written as the 4R equal to ABC by delta. 4R equal to A is the 13, B is the 14, C is the 15, delta is the 84. Now students, we have to know that 7 2s are 14, 7 12s are 12 into 7 is the 84. Now students, 2 1s are 2 6s are. After that 3 5s are 3 2s are. We got this is 65 by 2. So student, we want diameter. So divided by 2, that is 65 by 4 into 2 sending other side. 65 by 4 is the circumdiameter. Okay students, 65 by 4 is the circumdiameter. Suppose students is there 3 4 5, then how to find the circumdiameter or the circumradius? Simply we observe students, this is the right angle triangle 3 4 5. So the diameter is the students, in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the diameter, circumcenter is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Therefore students, is it clear that 2R is the 5? So it is a right angle triangle. Undoubtedly the hypotenuse is the diameter of the circumcircle. So 2R equal to 5. So 25 equal to 9 plus 16. Therefore hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. And you can write 2R equal to 5. Circumradius is the 5 by 2. When it is a scaling, undoubtedly first we have find the delta. by taking under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. After that, delta we know that ABC by 4r. Then 4r and delta we can just interchange delta and 4r. 4r equal to ABC by delta. A is 13, B 14, C 15. That is 84. That is 65 by 2. Now that 4r is the 2 into 12. That will be sending other side. 65 by 4. Okay, students. Now, students, another one. So that sigma a square sin of b minus c by sin b plus sin c equal to 0. What is the, students? Sigma a square sin of b minus c by sin b plus sin c is 0. So dear students, the left hand side is there sigma a square a into a sin of b minus c by sin b plus sin c. We have to know that the small a from the sin root 2r sin a, 2r sin a into sin of b minus c upon sin b plus sin c. Now, students, sigma we can written as 2r. This is the, students, a into sin of a. We know that a plus b plus c 180 degrees. A equal to we can written as 180 minus of b plus c. Now we can apply sin on both sides. Sin of 180 minus theta in second quadrant sin theta. So, students, the sin a can be written as sin of b plus c, sin of b minus c upon is there sin b plus sin c. Now, students, this is we can written as 2r sigma a into sin b plus c into sin b minus c sin square b minus sin square c. This is the, students, sin square b. Just you can written as sin square b minus sin square c. We know that sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b sin square a minus sin square b whole by this is sin b plus sin c. Now, student, this is we have to compare with x square minus y square, that is x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square is the x plus y into x minus y. So, students, this is we can written as, so how to write this in 2r sigma small a into x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y, that is sin b plus sin c into sin b minus sin c upon is there sin b plus sin c. These two are cancelled. Now, students, 2r sigma, the sin b is the form b by 2r, sin c from the sin rule, sin b is the, students, b by 2r, sin c is the, students, c by 2r. So, students, we are taking the LCM is a 2r cancel, a into b minus c, 2r is the LCM, 2r cancel. Now, remove the sigma. So, dear students, sigma is the cyclic, it is the symbol of the cyclic expression. So, a into b minus c, b into c minus a, C into A minus B, ABC, BCA, CAB. After that, student, these are all cancelled. Since AB minus AC, BC minus AB, after that CA minus BC, BC cancel, AC, AC cancel, AB, AB cancel. So this is the 0. Okay, student, this is the right hand side. Write down, students. Okay, students, write down. How to write this is, once again, one new student, the A square is we can written as A into A. A from the sine root 2r sin A. A is the 180 minus of B plus C. Sin 180 minus theta, sin theta. Sin of B plus C into sin of B minus C, sin square B minus sin square C. Is there denominator sin B plus sin C. So students, we have to compare with x square minus y square. X plus y sin B plus sin C into x minus y sin B minus sin C. These two are cancelled. This is B by 2r, this is C by 2r. 2r cancelled. This is A into B minus C. Now we can remove sigma. ABC, BCA, CAB. These are all cancelled. We got 0. Okay, students. This is today students. This is today. All of you please practice these similar models. Okay, students. Tomorrow I will explain in different models in part 1. Okay, students. Thank you all. What is there?